I'm back again. I'm doing another video for YouTube. I did one a few weeks ago, and this one I'm sending on a complaint. Today I'm going to talk about Exhibit 1. Exhibit 1 is we're going to vote on this matter, and what I'm talking about is the vote after the hurricanes on how the insurance deductible was to be handled. You can't really vote after you have an insurance claim to change what was happening. That should be pretty obvious. But it was actually done here in the Woodlands, Palm Springs. The vote was to benefit the board members. The board members had no damage, except me. And I explained to them that you can't vote on something that's illegal. By doing that, it violates every principle, like Robert's Rules of Order. But it was to benefit them, the other board members. So after that vote happened, there were 11 buildings that had damage. There are 220 homes in here. Of the 220, 11 suffered significant damage. That's Exhibit 1, the vote. Exhibit 2 is the results. After the results were tallied, it was pretty easy to see the damage units were never going to prevail. There were only 11. So out of the 220 homes in here, there were 54 owners that voted to have the deductible only fall on the damaged home. Well, there's a problem with that. First of all, it's unfair. It violates our covenants on discrimination. And 3, they didn't have the 2/3 required, which is 146 homes, but they still announced that it carried, it passed anyway. Next, I want you to understand what a not-for-profit is. A not-for-profit is an organization that receives tax-exempt benefits, no taxes on the ownership of the property of the corporation, as long as it is for a charitable purpose. What is happening in here is we're turning into an exclusive private club. The private club is run by Banyan. Banyan runs the club. Banyan makes the people that they want immigrant, and they use the maintenance man to make sure that those club members never change. That maintenance man makes $75,000 a year. He works 3 days a week. Now, something that's really interesting is he doesn't even work all year round. Right now, he's not been seen in here in weeks, but he still makes $75,000 a year, and that's in the annual budget for the Woodlands. So take a look. What you see are 2 homes. At the beginning of this video, I showed you 2 homes, one of which is foreclosed on. Those people left. They got the insurance money, a little bit that they got, and they left their home exactly as it was after the hurricane. The second one behind me is the one that I'm really concerned about, because these people knew that they were being tricked. They knew that the association should always pay the deductible. They are the named insured. That's who the policy is named for. In here, if you'll check the records, there have been other deductibles always paid by the association until this storm took place and until they took this vote. So if you have any questions, my name is Bob Ayersman. I live here in the Woodlands. My email address is woodlands, HOA, the symbol @ mac.com. And my phone number is area code 561-707-6769. I'm on the internet. I look forward to hearing from you. And if you've ever heard of this before anywhere else, and I've been working on this for now going over 4 years, there's not one person, not one, that has ever seen this done before. We're talking in here over $1 million, maybe $2 million of association funds, insurance funds that were taken out of the Woodlands that should have been in here to fix these homes up. Now the owners are left who are still here, not able to sell because of the way the insurance was rigged, and I mean rigged with a capital R. You can't get a Fannie Mae or So anyway,